First one is rules. Then first question that you should know is, who can do medical termination of pregnancy? Who can do medical termination of pregnancy? A doctor who has degree or diploma in option gynecology. Okay, a doctor who has degree or diploma in option gynecology, he can do MTP. Or a person who has done 6 months of house jobs in option gynecology. So other one is a person who has assisted in 25 medical termination of pregnancy. Okay, if he has assisted in 25 medical termination of pregnancies in authorized centers, all these people can do medical termination of pregnancy. The first one is who has done degree or diploma in option gynecology, or person who has done 6 months of house jobs in OBG, or who has assisted in 25 medical termination pregnancies in authorized centers. Okay, and the next question is, where we will do medical termination of pregnancy? Where we can do medical termination of pregnancy is in a government hospital. Or private hospitals which has got license for doing medical termination of pregnancy. In such hospitals, medical termination of pregnancy can be done. Who will give license? License will be given by Chief Medical Officer of the district. Chief Medical Officer of districts. He will give license to the private hospitals for doing medical termination of pregnancy. Right? For doing medical termination of pregnancy, consent of women must be taken. In a written form. If the woman is minor, then consent of guardian must be taken. Consent of husband is not needed. Consent of husband is not needed. If husband demands medical termination of pregnancy, and if the woman wants pregnancy continuation, in such situation we'll continue the pregnancy. We don't consider the words of husband, because here consent of husband is not needed. Only consent of women is needed. Okay, and women no need to submit the proof of age. Proof of age is not needed. If the woman says that I am major, then it is enough. There is no need to prove for age. And if the woman says that she has been raped, that is enough. She no need to prove that she has been raped. Just oral statement of being raped is enough. And here professional secrecy has to be maintained. And the register for medical termination of pregnancy must be a secret document. It should be a secret document. It should not be shown to anyone. Okay. And you see, if the pregnancy is terminated, if you want to terminate the pregnancy below 12 weeks, then this opinion of single doctor is enough. opinion of single doctor is enough. If you want to terminate a pregnancy which is less than 20 weeks of gestation, then opinion of 2 doctors is needed. Okay, if you want to terminate a pregnancy which is less than 12 weeks of gestation, then opinion of a single doctor is enough. If you want to terminate a pregnancy which is less than 20 weeks of gestation, then opinion of 2 doctors is needed. If it is an emergency, there is if the condition is emergency, then the termination of pregnancy can be done in even in a unauthorized hospitals. Unauthorized hospital, even a single doctor can do. A single doctor can do the medical termination of pregnancy, and even untrained doctor can do medical termination of pregnancy at that time. Okay, and even if the pregnancy is less than 20 weeks, opinion of second doctor is not needed. Even the pregnancy is less than 20 weeks, the opinion of one doctor is enough. Here I told you, if the pregnancy is less than 12 weeks, then a single doctor opinion is enough. If the pregnancy is less than 20 weeks of gestation, opinion of 2 doctors is enough. And after taking opinion, after taking opinion, even one doctor can do abortion, can do medical termination of pregnancy. Okay, and if there is any violation of above said rules, then the punishment will be 2 to 7 years of prison. 2 to 7 years of prison, imprisonment. So punishment is 2 to 7 years of imprisonment if there is violation of above said rules. These are the rules of medical termination of pregnancy. Let's see the drugs.